Staex is not only a very unique example of a company based in Berlin, bred in Berlin. As a startup, you have to change a lot, to rethink what you're doing. I have been following this path over the last years, and this is so inspiring to see this. Startup that is brave to find new ways. It's all about alliances of partnerships. What Staex is also doing, and very unique, building a real use case of Web3 in industry. This is something that we have to see more in the future. This project is so important for Berlin because this is a lighthouse project of what blockchain brings to industry.
We have a huge problem today. If you connect your device to the internet today, it experiences up to 5,400 hacker attacks. IoT devices comprise a huge portion of our critical infrastructure. The hackers are misusing our IoT devices to run their attacks on the internet, after which the devices break and malfunction. Staex is solving these problems by providing the new generation protocol that protects devices from hacker attacks. And also the network decides on the Staex network who has access to what, unlike on today's internet.
Concluding the viability of this platform as an option for our business, assessing the use of drones for maintenance and operation of our network, and participating in the design and implementation of this new infrastructure are the outcomes that we expect for this project. We will analyze how we will create a new product to be offered to the market. We are very optimistic about how relevant this product will be in the future. We truly believe that drones will be part of the digitalization process in Europe, and Vantage Towers aims to be a key stakeholder in that journey.
Our team brings all our expertise in payment and technology to this project by pioneering invisible automated payment solutions that bridge the gap between traditional Web 2 and emerging Web 3 paradigm.
Our drones are mostly for surveying and monitoring. We're also doing transport of medical goods. If you go a little bit more to the countryside, I'm pretty sure in the future, the whole logistic chain drones will be a part of it, especially for farmers because they have the space.
In today's fast-paced world, manual handling of contracts and payments often leads to inefficiencies. Human intervention can slow processes and introduce errors. Mistrust between parties, be it government, businesses, or the public sector, complicates transactions further, necessitating numerous checks and verifications. Imagine a world where machines handle bids, job assigning, and payments independently, without any human interference. Our solution empowers machines to act autonomously and fully automated. Secured by advanced cryptographic standards and backed by a comprehensive ledger system, our platform records everything from permits to transaction details and work results. With payment integration at its core, our platform ensures that all kinds of machines and devices are able to pay and get paid in their national currency in a very smooth and secure fashion. In the near future, management systems will autonomously order physical services, reducing human oversight and accelerating efficiency. Every artifact produced, such as aerial photos from a drone, is securely stored in the ledger, providing undeniable proof of work and building unprecedented trust among clients. Our vision is a world where seamless automation enables an efficient economy, reducing wastage and enhancing productivity, opening up new avenues for growth and innovation.
For this project, we partner with Lisk. Lisk is a layer 2 blockchain on Ethereum. Lisk makes sure that the data that we collect stayed sign verified, means secure. Chirp Wireless is a very innovative connectivity provider that enables 2G to 5G connectivity for flying objects and has very innovative access to Web3 features.
What Staex and Germandrones are doing is pushing the boundaries of the industry, cross-industry collaboration of its first kind.
All the companies that work together in the project transfer this project from a proof of concept straight into the market. A business starts out of it that creates jobs and also added value. NEXA is fairly unique, and application is not limited to one market field. You can actually transfer this into different kinds of areas. And that is the great thing about it. Something we're very proud of is that people with smart ideas come to our city, use the benefits of the ecosystem. This transfer from ideas into reality, this energy in creating innovation, this is something the cluster and our team in particular love supporting.